Way better. Oh, I don't know what's going on. Just keeps flipping over. These tires are so awesome. And the 70 weight is, so far it's perfect. Guys, remember this is 12S. Oh, watch out, there's a big rock there. Oh yeah. Whew. The 70 weight is awesome. Well, that's gonna have to end the video. We didn't break anything. The 70 weight oil is awesome. Maybe even a little higher. Maybe I might try 80. But definitely these are not made for 12S, so you can see there it kind of blew out. So guys, this is my favorite truck. Anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Please do like and subscribe. Oh, looks like we lost a nut right there. So I have to... Yep. Anyways, guys, that's why you got to maintain these trucks. See, no leaks on my shocks. Super awesome. They're all 4 of them are dry. Thanks for watching the channel, guys. Do like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys later. Whoosh.